yourself?
I'm Mary Grace Longbob, 24 years old from Grabahan, Matina, Davao City.
May experience ka ba bilang brand ambassador sa supermarket?
Yes po, ma'am.
What brand?
Recently, brand ambassador po ako ng Nestle Fitness po.
May samples feel?
Okay. Hi, ma'am. Good morning. Shape up your lifestyle this season with Nestle Fitness. It's made with whole grain, high in fiber, and low in fat to help you get a shape this season. Plus, it tastes really delicious. Kaya ma'am and sir, drop by muna tayo dito sa aming sampling booth and have a taste po with our Nestle Fitness.
Okay, pakibasa na Magnolia all-purpose cream spill.
A delicious and creamy day to you, mommy and daddy! Introducing the original Magnolia All-Purpose Cream, ang bago nating partner na lalong magpapasarap sa paboritong fruit salad, pasta, cakes, dips, soup at iba pa. Ang original Magnolia All-Purpose Cream ay siguradong 100% creamy, 100% delightful goodness, guaranteed easy whip, zero trans fat, and no added sugar. Kaya tutok-tutok po mga mommy and daddy. At ang paborito nating pagkain mas magiging creamier and tastier na tiyak na magugustuhan ng buong pamilya. Dahil ito ay gawang Magnolia, gawang San Miguel na siguradong tayo sa quality ng mga ingredients. Kaya halina po mga mommy and daddy, try nyo na po ang original Magnolia All-Purpose Cream, all out love, all out goodness.